47 eastbound. It's a blue and white sports bike, no tag. Single male occupant. Speeds are 140. Speeds are 120, light traffic. He's well ahead of me. He's probably going over 140. I got caught behind a semi-truck. We're just past the 48 eastbound. It's moderate traffic. Speeds are over 100.
48 eastbound.
You at that PD now? I don't have side of it right now.
In the pursuit by the 48 eastbound. 10-4.
Just past the 50 eastbound. Speeds are 130.
Turning in a vehicle by sports bike with no tags, passing the 50.
The speeds are 130 light traffic. Passing the 51 again.
Here's the 51. 51 was a nice and lost sight at the time.
Correction, 52 eastbound. I'm getting caught up behind traffic.
452.
What was the description?
He hasn't made it to the 55 yet.
To the blue and white sports bike with no tag.
10-4.
J26 car, so I'm in a 1022. I've lost some visual.
Copy, 1022 lost visual. Card 4 units, 1054, net clear. Zero in traffic.
The description.
He hasn't made it to the 55 yet.
To the blue and white sports bike with no tag.
That boy.
10-4.
J26 car, so I'm in a 1022. I've lost visual.
Copy, 1022 lost visual. Card 4 units, 1054, net clear. Zero in traffic.
He's taking the 55.
Somebody want to watch the exit, get to take 58. So I'm going to try to get down to 55.
He's down. I'm on the ramp. He's on the ramp. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Lay down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
He's taking a 55. He's down, I'm on the ramp, he's on the ramp.
Just off the 55 exit ramp. Basically, you got to take the 55 exit.
10:15.
Roll over on the side. Yes. Kick your legs in.
You got any felonies?
Nothing.
Well, you're a felon now. Yep, you're a felon now, man. Was it worth it?
I knew I was going to get pulled over.
You'd run like hell. I was just going to give you a speeding ticket, man. It's 140, but now you're going to be a felon. Where's your driver's license at?
You'll have to reach up underneath my hoodie. It's in my inner jacket. Or wait, it might have been in front of my pocket. Front left pocket, not my jeans pocket.
Right here?
Yes, sir. There's a slim wallet in there.
You got any guns on you?
No.
28.
Is it in there?
Yep, I got it. Big damage to your car?
Nah, you just tried to do what I did.
Okay.
Tell him I'll give you a call.
Where are you running, man?
I knew I was going to lose my license. There's a red bubble.
You're not going to get away from the Arkansas State Police, man.
I know it's stupid. It was just like a split-second decision. I was like, fuck.
Can I just take it off now?
Yeah, it's pretty tight. You'll just have to pull it. That's all good.
So you're running because you didn't want to lose your license. Is that what you're saying?
I know I've got a lot of points on my license. I know if I got another ticket, I would.
I'm gonna give these cuffs back to the other trooper because I was the one that tried to pull you over. Can you give those to Smothers for me?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, come on, we're gonna have a seat in the passenger seat.
You mind if we pull this off my head?
You don't want to look like a bad guy?
I mean, I can if you want me to.
Alright, go ahead.
You mind if we pull this off my head?
You don't want to look like a bad guy?
I mean, I can if you want me to.
Alright, go ahead.
You're good.
Hartsville J 26.
28 Clarksville 1015. 28 Clarksville 1015. Roll over on your side. This side. Kick your legs in. You got any felony? While we're running.
Yep, you're a felon.
While we're running.
I knew I was going to get pulled over. I was going to lose my life.
Figured you'd run like hell.
I'm just gonna give you a speed ticket, man. It's 140, but now you're gonna be a felon. Where's your driver's license at?
You'll have to reach up underneath my hoodie. It's in my inner jacket. Or wait, it might be in this front pocket. Front left pocket, not my jeans pocket.
Right here?
There's a slim wallet in there.
You any guns on you? No.
28. Who's the on-duty supervisor?
J5. I'm currently public service.
Damage to your car?
Nah, he just tried to go down the ditch. Tell him I'll give him a call here in just a minute.
10-4.
We'll need a 1011 for this motorcycle.
10-4, J-Lane.
What's going on?
Not much. Who kicked this one off?
He did.
Who was he?
Clokey. Clokey got after him down to 47. Y'all went by me, but I waited right here, and sure enough, he tried to take it. When I cut him off, he tried to go down the ditch, so I gave him a little incentive. Let me get some pictures of that. Oh, okay, thanks, man.
All right, well, we look like y'all can head on back to the house.
All right, brother.
Hartsville J 26, J 28, King's Record 1019.
Temple. Hey, well, you guys got a flashlight?
What happened, man?
He come around the curve, so I pulled out right here, flipped the lights on. When he saw the lights, he started heading towards the ditch. So I just kind of
Good freaking job.
cut him off.
I gave up. Did you hear me say 1022?
Yeah, see, some of them went by me. I guess it was city, I don't know. But I just held right here. I was like, well, he might.
Just in case.
Yeah, sure enough, he slowed down.
There's no way I would have caught him. There's no possible way.
But yeah, I eased out, flipped the lights on, he started heading down there. I was like, no, we're not going down there.
You know how sometimes your radar, if there's two semis next to each other, it'll jump up to like one.
Hey, hold up, let me turn this off.
Okay.
I can see it. Yeah, let me go around here. Whoa, whoa.
Float.